Hey creators! Welcome to Day 30, the grand finale of the AI Plus SEO Mastery Challenge. Today, we're putting it all together. Build a full AI-powered SEO workflow for 2025. Here's the ultimate 5-step system. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to research keywords, plus generate topic clusters. Step 2. Create SEO-optimized blogs using Surfer AI, NeuronWriter. Step 3. Design images with DALL plus Canva and insert schema via AI schema tools. Step 4. Auto-publish with Zapier plus Notion and schedule posts using AI social calendars. Step track results with AI SEO dashboards plus rank trackers. This workflow saves time, scales your content, and helps you dominate Google in 2025 and beyond. Pro tip: save this as your monthly content system. It's 100% AI optimized and beginner-friendly. Thank you for joining the 30-day AI Plus SEO Mastery Challenge. Keep building, keep optimizing, keep growing.